If you can debit and credit, you already have the hard part. What most bookkeepers are missing is the business wrapped around the books. This is the bookkeeping business in a box from Niche Toolkits. Let me walk you through everything inside. We start with the operations playbook. 31 pages that assume you already know the accounting and teach you everything else. Quoting clients without freezing. Engagement letters that actually hold up. Standardizing the monthly close so it stops eating your weekends. This is the operating system that turns a certification into a practice. The core idea is a single shift. Your clients are not buying transaction categorization. They are buying accuracy, visibility, and advisory uplift. That gap is the entire reason a client pays $1,200 a month instead of $300, and it is exactly the position that artificial intelligence cannot take away from you. Folder 3 is the pricing calculator, the financial spine of the whole box. 7 linked Excel sheets with real formulas. You fill in the blue input cells, and the workbook does the rest, carrying your numbers from one sheet to the next, all the way from your break-even floor to a full-year revenue forecast. It opens on cost of doing business. You list every practice expense, the salary you actually want to draw, a tax cushion, and the realistic number of client months you can deliver in a year. Out comes your floor, the price below which you are quietly losing money. For most solo bookkeepers, that lands between $280 and $450 a client. From there, the calculator builds your basic, standard, and premium tiers, projects your monthly recurring revenue across the whole book with churn factored in, and quotes any cleanup engagement using months behind times complexity, with a floor built in so a 6-month mess never loses you money. The forms pack is your paperwork, done. At the center is the engagement letter. It puts your scope in writing, and crucially, it lists what is out of scope, because the most expensive sentence in bookkeeping is "can you also just?" The first time you put scope in writing, it feels awkward. The second time, it feels like money. There is a monthly close checklist that turns your close into the same repeatable 5 to 10 day process for every client. Alongside it, a client intake questionnaire, an invoice template, a scope change letter, and a clean disengagement letter for the day you need to part ways professionally. The intake questionnaire is how every new client starts. It captures their software, their access, their history, and their pain points up front, so you are not chasing logins in the second month. It makes you look like a firm from the very first email, not a freelancer figuring it out as you go. This box also includes something competitors do not, a transaction categorization guide with over 200 worked examples. The exact, correct treatment for the transactions that trip everyone up. It is how you train a new hire to your chart of accounts, and how you defend your judgment as the real value you sell. Marketing is where most bookkeepers stall, so the Marketing Starter gives you 30 ready-to-publish captions written for LinkedIn, where bookkeeping clients actually live. They are split across credibility, process, and conversion, and 5 of them are written specifically for the advisory pivot, the most important positioning of the next 2 years. It goes beyond cap. When you are ready to grow, the hiring and training kit is waiting. Job descriptions for a staff bookkeeper, a senior bookkeeper, and a tax season assist. A first day, first week, first month onboarding checklist, a training manual, and a contractor handbook. This is the document set that turns a solo practice into a real firm. It includes an interview question bank with a practical reconciliation exercise, so you can verify whether someone can actually do the work, not just whether they interview well. There is also a quarterly performance review template for the 90-day check-in that keeps a new hire on track. The local SEO Quick Start helps the right people find you on Google. 5 fill-in-the-blank city page templates. 5 blog outlines that target the questions your prospects actually type, and meta titles written to get clicked. 1 pack, and you can own Bookkeeper in your city instead of hoping for referrals. And it hands you the technical signals most firms never get right, for copy and paste JSON LD schema blocks that tell Google exactly who you are, what you do, and where you serve. No developer required. You paste them in, and your pages start speaking Google's language. Put it together, and you have a whole business in one download. The operations playbook, the pricing calculator, the forms pack, the categorization guide, the marketing starter, the hiring kit, and the local SEO pack. Everything but the debits and the credits, and you already had those. That is the bookkeeping business in a box. $197, one payment, yours forever. Find it on Etsy, search niche toolkits, and start running the practice instead of just keeping the book.